We all wish to have that whitening, glowing and glass skin. Today in this video I will share you super easy DIY buy that can give you flawless skin. Without any wasting, let's start to make this DIY. We will need cooked rice, almond oil and aloe vera gel. First take 3 tablespoons of uncooked rice, wash it with plain water to remove all kind of dirt. Now add in this 500 ml water, and cook it well. When a little bit of water is remaining, turn off the flame and let it cool. After boiling, strain the liquid. Now blend the cooked rice well. In this add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, around 4-5 drops of sweet almond oil. Blend all ingredients very well. And the DIY is ready. Let me tell you how to use this DIY. For best result, you can use this remedy in night time. Face cleansing is very important in night. First clean your face your regular face cleanser. Pat dry your face and apply this DIY all over the face and neck. Leave it for 15 minutes to dry, and then wipe it off. No need to apply any moisturizer because this DIY is already rich in moisturizing properties. Use this DIY daily for 3 days, and you can see difference in your skin. After that you can use this treatment twice in a week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.